White. Saka finds Havertz, back with Saka! Again, Jose Sarr called into action by Arsenal's number 7.
Yeah, brilliant play, Ben White, finding Bukayo Saka.
That's a good ball! It's a great ball! The first goal of the season! And it's Kai Havertz picking up exactly where he left off last season. In by Hwang, good ball too, and that's an excellent save by David Raya. Well, he had to react so quickly, the Spaniard. Strand Larsen did everything he could, but there was no way past Arsenal's goalkeeper. Martinelli leaves the space for him. He's found Rice. Martinelli's into the area. Back onto his right. Deflected over the crossbar. It will be an Arsenal corner. Martinelli would have felt he could have got more. Arsenal go short from the free kick. Here's Ødegaard. Pushed away by Jose Sarr. He's not had too much to do in this second half. Ødegaard certainly caught that well. Saka onto his left foot. Bukayo Saka at Emirates Stadium again. Flashes of last season against Nottingham Forest. Arsenal's number 7 scores against Wolves once more.